driver flashing us, right, because I've had to slow down to 50 mile an hour because the motorway tells us to slow down to 50 mile an hour because the road works, and this waggon's fucking flashing us.
Fucking idiots, mate, aren't they?
Because I'm sticking to the speed limit. I've done anyway. I've done another funny misheard lyrics video today for you to look at. Yes, Mr. Waggon driver, I'm doing 50 mile an hour because yes, Mr. Waggon driver, I'm doing 50 mile an hour because the motorway tells me to, because there's roadworks, and you're right up my backside, and you've been right up my backside for the last 4 miles. You ain't going any faster until I hit the national speed limit. So back off, cooker jumpy.